for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Verano. Buick Verano is a compact car built on the Delta II platform, designed and built from the ground up with the idea of it being a Buick. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering. Your new ride is just a phone call away.